Good morning to our
Morning as well.
viewers. And we're excited again for our podcast. My name is EG.
And I am Madal Aporillo.
And I am Susa Buero.
So we are from Levant. We support immigration services. So how was your vacation, Ma'am
Oh,
Madel and
yes.
Ma'am Sue?
Yes, so during Holy Week, I went home to our province to relax and, of course, to spend time with my family and bond with them.
That's good to hear.
Yes. Yes, ma'am. And I also went home in the province and have beach time together also with my family.
Wow, swimming time. And then for me,
Yes.
I went to the meditation group called the Brahma Kumaris for silence and renewal. So I think we're ready to share with them what is Special Resident Retirement's visa. Let me call on Ma'am Madel Aparillo.
Yes, so again, good morning, everyone. Welcome to our monthly podcast. So today, we're excited to talk about the SRRB visa. So what it is, its benefit, and how it can open doors for retirees looking to settle in the Philippines. So again, I am Madel May, Visa Support Specialist from Liban Visa Support Services, Tacloban branch. And join me today, Ms. Sue Sabuero, Visa Support from our Butuan branch, and our Executive Director, Ms. E.G. Ballington, from our Manila branch. Okay, so let's start. So what is SRRB? So it is or the Special Resident Retirees Visa. So it is a special visa offered by the Philippine Retirement Authority that allows foreign nationals to live in the Philippines long-term or permanently. So in simple term, it is a retirement visa where a foreign makes a required bank deposit, and in return, they can stay in the Philippines indefinitely with multiple entry privileges. So meaning they can come and go without needing to apply for a visa, for a new visa each time. So what are the benefits for SRRB holder? So one, as what I have said earlier, you can stay in multiple entry. So you have a multiple entry privileges. Second is tax-free remittance of pension, exemption from custom duties for personal items, and access to local investment and business opportunities. So there are three SRRB visa option. So one is the SRRB Classic, meaning it is for the foreigners that is with or without pension. And then second is what we call the SRRB Courtesy. So this is for the foreigners who is a retired military or a military, a diplomat, or a veteran. And then the second courtesy is the what we call also the SRB courtesy, but it is for the former Filipinos.
Mhm.
Okay? And then so there are certain required amount to deposit in each SRRB category. So depending on your age and if you have a pension or none. So it's sliding on your screen now some of the amount, required amount that should be deposited in SRRB, in each SRRB category. So we can talk about further about that during our meeting. So you can contact us for a short meeting to discuss further. Okay, so to qualify, so the applicant must be at least 40 years old, depending on the visa type, with a valid passport, a clean criminal record, and must pass a medical examination, required deposit, or a pension proof. So that's it. So may I call on Miss EG? So we have here a uh, three frequently asked questions during our now our live Facebook live.
Yes, Ma'am Madel, thank you. So for our frequently asked question, can I bring my dependents with me in the Philippines? Yes, definitely. Your spouse and children under 21 years of age are allowed to be with you or go with you to live with you and stay with you in the country. And can I work with my SRRV visa? Yes, you can work here in the country given that you have an additional document which is the special work permit. Okay? And is the deposit refundable? Yes, it is refundable under certain conditions. However, you can convert that to a investment. We can be discuss it further with you during our meeting. So, Levant is a licensed and accredited company to process SRRV visa. So, let me call on Ma'am Sue.
Okay, thank you, Ma'am AG. Okay, so I would like to introduce to you our recently granted and successful applicants for our SRRV. Sir Jamin from the United States of America, and Sir Robbie for the Norway, and also Sir Darren from the United States of the America. And our company is an accredited marketer for SSRV visa. You can check in the PRA website on the list of the accredited marketers. Levant is on the list. As you can see, we are 140, number 140 under the name of Levant Visa Support Immigration Services. So let us connect. If you have questions and further information, you can visit our Facebook page, www.facebook.com, Levant Visa Support, and our email, hello@levantvisasupport.com. So these are our contact numbers for the Butuan City, located in Lower Doongan, Butuan, 0954-345-0515. And for Tacloban City, that is located in Burgos Street, 0966-829-4595. And for our DAF site in Manila, it is 0915-712-0670. Okay, so don't let paperwork hold you back. Let us help to make your journey become to our reality.
Thank
Yes.
you. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you. Have a great day. Bye-bye.
Good
Thank
day.
you.
Bye-bye.